Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change your Konami email in eFootball quickly and safely. First, open your browser and go to the official Konami ID website. Log in using your current email and password linked to your eFootball account. Once you're logged in, then tap on Menu button. Go to Profile Information. Scroll down, click on Email address. Now verify your email. Enter your new email address carefully. Konami will send a verification code or link to your new email. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it back on the website to confirm. Once verified, your email will be successfully updated. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe,